So we already issued a certificate of recognition doon sa kay Tumawis on the basis of the provision of the local government code na in the absence of the vice governor, pwede silang mag-elect ng temporary presiding officer para hindi ma-disrupt yung services nila. So that's exactly what they did. Nung hindi na nag-appear yung vice governor in the province of Maguindanao del Norte, the majority of the members of the Sangguniang decided to elect a temporary presiding officer. In which case, makaka-transact sila, makaka-legislate sila, makaka-act sila nung lahat ng legislative function nila. So meron na tayong corresponding issuance doon sa kanila recognizing that that action na mag-elect ng temporary presiding officer. Depends really doon sa collective decision ng mga kasama nila constituting the majority. Kasi collegial body man ito. Ang may control over the Sangguniang is the majority of the members. So kung kayo yung majority, kayo ang mag-decide anong gagawin. You can actually compel yung members nyo to attend. Kung hindi sila mag-attend, you can take some other actions sa kanila. Hindi sila pwede mag-appoint. Ang pwede lang mag-appoint in the event na ganyan, kulang, is they can recommend sa amin dahil walang succession dito by appointment ito under the administrative order issued by the Chief Minister, we can appoint. May mga several instances naman na yun na nangyari. So like some governors when they plan to undertake trips outside of the country, request travel authority from the national. Ang ginagawa ni DILG, si Secretary Abalos, binabalik niya dito sa amin, advising the governors that under the organic law at saka yung local government code, the power over that has been transferred to us. So sa amin naman sila nagsisik ng travel authority. So tingin ko medyo malinaw naman sa lahat na yung supervision over LGUs ay nasa regional government na exercised through the Ministry of the Interior and Local Government.